event, I think BTV Cup is an invitational tournament, but it's a good exposure for our other members of the national team. And then the CV League, which is in Thailand and Vietnam again, I think, no? And then SEA Games now. So it's to keep it. Our biggest problem now, that's why I need to talk to PBL and to the clubs itself, because the SEA Games falls on the club season. So, but again, if Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam adjust their club season, why not us? Hindi rason yun na porket may club season, hindi ma-adjust. Bakit ang Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, they're adjusting their club season. So it's a matter of cooperation. So at least twice a week, if you train maybe 3 times a week sa club and then twice lang sa national team, it's good enough. No? That's good enough for them because they are going to have this camp already.
Sir, that's deep. You've been there, done that, no? Yung 1993 hands-on camp. Anong meron itong team na to? This team, to beat the likes of the
I think itong team na to, for me, being a former, what's this, coach, former administrator, former, you know, the problem with me, I'm not a sitting president who doesn't know volleyball. That's the problem. The problem with me is I'm a technical person. I'm a technical delegate of FAB for 30 years. No? So I know technically what's going on with any team, the problems, the issues of any team, world class. So I think for this team, walang superstar. Okay? Mahirap yung, you know, you are very popular locally, but when you go internationally, it's very different. You know, you might be the MVP sa UAE o sa PBL, but you compete sa international, di ba? Gia plays in Denso in the Japanese league, but when he goes to the national league, nag-iiba yun. So iba yung kalaban, iba yung kaba. No? I'll give you example, Mitura. I'm sure may kaba si Mitura. She might be the rookie of the year. She's the highest ranking scoring point, but when she plays in the national team, may kaba yun. I think. Kinakabahan ba, Mitura? May kaba din siguro. May kaba, no?
Tanungin natin mamaya sila.
I think, I feel na, may kaba din yun, whether Belen or Solomon. Ibang kalaban sa but for example, Kazakhstan. So difficult to beat Kazakhstan last year during the Challenge Cup, but we beat Kazakhstan this year. So it's really, binugong bola eh. There's always a chance. You might win first two sets. Last 3 sets, you win the game. So it's really like that, no? But again, I told the girls during the Olympic Games in Paris, which I told Coach Georgie as an Olympic gold medalist, every game in Paris Olympic Games, every point, parang kulang naman mag-100 games sila, magpapatayan. Because every point is important sa Olympic Games. Every win is so important. That's what I told them. This was my advice to them. If you lose points, 1 or 2 is enough. Hindi yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tuloy-tuloy. We cannot afford that one. So the lesser errors, it's better for us. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 all, 14, mga ganun, di ba? So tama yung isang dalawang error and points ulit. So we have to reduce this one. So this is my advice to the team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sige, tanong natin sa kanila about the bang. Is this your first time to sakali? Baka laro sa SEA Games?
No.
Second, no. Si Del.
Sige.
Hindi na.
Sige.
Hindi na SEA Games ka na?
Two.
So,
Yeah, I think it's two.
nakita nyo naman, di ba? Different from playing the SEA Games, different from playing even in FIBA, FIDB tournaments, di ba? So, ngayon sabi nga, may kaba pa ba, at saka yung pride, ano ba ang feelings playing, especially in this coming SEA Games as one of the top contenders na yung team natin?
Ako, kinakabahan ako. I don't want to be a spectator with my team. Mas kinakabahan ako. Yung 5th set nga sa Chinese Taipei, umalis ako sa upuan ko. I went to the toilet and I went around. Then I would rather be a technical delegate in an event rather than watching my team playing. Kinakabahan ako. So every point. So once ako, 5th set, Nag-ikot ako
Baka
pa toilet.
mag-collapse ka.
Nagtago ako ay makita. Yung nakita ko lang score, I think 8, no? 8 score. Saka ako lumabas. At tinawag ako nung president ng Vietnam Volleyball, pumabas ka. Doon ka na lang. So, it's different. So, it should be the same for all.
Sige, sige.
Honestly, sa tagal na namin pong naglalaro ni Del, at sa dami na pong na-expose kami na tournaments na high level, ako hindi na ako kinakabahan eh. It's more, there's just this hunger to play, to expose myself to this kind of level of competition. Kasi as athletes, we always want to test kung nasaang level na kami. And the only way to know that is to play in higher level competitions. So thankful kami because we, not just the SEA Games, we're also exposed to other competitions like ABC, BPV, CVD. This is why we want everyone to have international experience because like what Sir Tat said, what you play in the local tournaments, it's not guaranteed that that is how you will play in higher level tournaments kasi iba yung mga kalaban mo. So to be able to test your skills, your mental toughness in a higher level competition, you will only get this kind of feeling if you really stay in the national team and play against these great teams. So, ako po, hindi na po ako kinakabahan.
Then, kinakabahan eh.
Sa interview.
Wala pa ako kinakabahan.
Opo,
wala din pong kaba. Siguro po sa pressure, pero yung kaba parang wala naman din po. Kasi parang sanay na rin po ako sa international league. Tapos, yun.
Thank you. Coach, still the SEA Games. Top 4 teams to fight it out. Still Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia.
For sure. They can, those 4 teams keep the international standard really high. So for sure will be this top 4.
Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Gab Peras from Sports Corner PH. We have a question, Coach De Brito from Karen Ann Bantukay of Scoreline.ph. Given Vietnam's strong performance in the finals, what specific modifications do you feel the team needs to make or emphasize in training, especially with the high chance of facing them again in future tournaments such as the BTB Cup and the SEA Games?
Thank you for the question. Since we are in the process, I need to strengthen the defense system. That means the connection between block and defense. And also we start from the serve. So we need to, if you guys keep on playing, because we know our character. We are not our bodies. I mean, we are not a tall team. We are short, but also we are really good in trying to make our team color. We need to serve better and make it consistent this transition between defense and transitions to spike again and be really aggressive on the serve. But again, it's a game, it's a point by point. Since we can do the side out, not talking about technically only. Side out means that we need to, every time we receive, we need to score points on the other side also. I think you need to tell in fact, you need to improve in all the skills. But again, toughness mindset, to be a winner team is already, even if you lose. So we are on the way to go.
Okay, last questions for Gia and kay Del. Considering nga na of course na nagkasama kayo, yung iba first time, yung iba mga ilang beses na nagkasama kayo sa national team, yung mga collegiate standouts, yung isa nga papasok na sa pro, si Bella Belen ng PBL sa Capital One. Kamusta ang gelling, kamusta ang composure ninyo na magkakasama yung mga mas bata ninyong teammates dyan sa national pool, sa ABC Nations, and of course, gaano ba kayo ka-excited sa inyong pagpasok nila dun sa BTB Cup naman? Si Gia muna, then si Del. Thank you.
Yeah, the gelling between the young players and the younger players. Well, kami kasing young players. Since seasoned na kami together, alam na namin kung ano yung mga experiences and situations na sa national team that I think we can better guide the young ones also. We can help them cope better, especially when the situations get hard. Kasi yun yung minsan mahirap i-process mentally as an athlete. But at the same time, yung pagpasok rin ng younger players, the new generation, they bring a different level of volleyball and grit than to the team. So, they don't just learn from us, we're also learning from them. Kasi ibang level talaga yung nilalaro nila eh. And we see and we learn more from them every game that we play together, every training that we spend together. So it's a give and take relationship between everyone in the team, and I think that's what makes us harmonious also. Your relationship not just between the players but also between players and coaches. As players, we learn a lot from the coaches, and also the coaches are learning a lot from the girls. So everything for us so far has been harmonious and just a good learning experience, and that's what helps us with our team chemistry also.
Okay, si Del na po.